How to do sit-ups. Sit-up is a compound workout that target our obliques, abdominals and also the hip flexors. First, lie completely on your back with feet flat and knees bent at 90 degrees. Now raise your upper body off the ground by bending your hips and waist till you reach close to your thighs. And lower your upper body down so that you are back to the starting position. Avoid doing this mistake of pulling the back head with your hands. In this way you will end up straining your neck. Make sure to look straight on your way up and head facing up when you are down. For this exercise, inhale while going down and exhale while coming up. So this is the end of your 1-minute video. Do subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.